What's up guys, back again today with Payne the Shark. Today I'm gonna teach you how to do the perfect cartwheel in under a minute. Let's get it. Okay, first thing you need to do, get in a lunge, elbows by your ears, straight line between your arms and your back leg. You're gonna reach for that wall in front of you. As you reach for the wall in front of you, your torso is gonna turn 90 degrees facing that wall that you're coming from. The most important thing you want to focus on is squeezing your core. If you have a loose core, you're going to bend over like that. So make sure you're in a lunge. You got that nice straight line between your arms and your legs. Now the key to doing this perfect is make sure your cartwheel is in a completely straight line. You don't break the line at all. Make sure you stay on it. So if you've checked out some of our other tutorials, you can start to combine the skills together and then you're creating combos. If you've seen the back tuck tutorial, you can go cartwheel, back tuck. Now we got passes going on. All right, that's how you learn to cartwheel in under a minute. Thanks for watching all day, every day.